Hi, this is Larry Shannon today. I'm here to talk about the Forstner 8-ton decoiler. It's 1.5 meter width, 1.2 meter diameter, and it's 8 ton. It has a mandrel here of a wedge design, and I'll point to the wedge in a minute, but it'll expand and contract from 515 to 465, and you can see the wedge right there. Okay, and it's got 3 round plates to keep its diameter, so it's easy to take on and off coils. Now you see the presser arm. Presser arm is used for when you're doing over 1 millimeter, 1.25 millimeter and heavier. It's always good to have a presser arm so that for safety, taking off the bands as you see over there. We have an ultrasonic loop, so when you have a coil and it won't touch the ground, it'll just be by touching. As the loop goes down further, then it will go faster to the decoiler to the slit to width, cut to length, or cut to length line. We have a 1.5 meter coil cart that has the full capacity, and you can see it's got guards on the sides so your hands don't get caught in it. The machine, the decoiler runs at 45 meters per minute, and it's electric drive with a frequency drive, so it stops quickly and also winds up quickly. Just a magnet that we get off the internet. What about it expanding that? You can see the wireless remote, so when we are running the decoiler, you don't have to worry about wires sticking out. Hi, this is Larry Chandonnet with Sedan Machinery talking about the Pro Slit 1250. We can also get this in a 1500 series, which is 60-inch. The 1250 is a 48-inch version. You can see the rollers here for guiding the material in. We have roller bearings right here, and those are what guide the material. You can get this machine left to right, right to left. You can see the encoder there. It can slide anywhere depending on where you have it. Normally you're going to have it over on the 0 line, which is right there. But again, you can have the 0 over here if you wanted to. You can have the control on that other side also. Just depends on the application of your shop. The machine comes with a instantaneous speed reducer, so you can set it. The machine's standard 85 feet a minute, but you can get 25 meters per minute. You can also get this machine in 35 and 45 meters per minute, which is 115 and 145 feet per minute. Comes with a safety lockout for the knives. There's a scrap bin right there. Once I raise the door, the machine won't run. You have a scale that's lit, and then we set our knives with a cap lock design, as you can see right there. Standard is 5 knives. You can cut on both sides of the knives. By splitting the knives, separate them, they won't cut. He's going to do some valleys. He's going to do 3 cuts of valleys. Since we're doing 29 gauge or 0.37, all he's doing is separating it by a piece of paper. It's usually 10% of the thickness of the material. And the paper works fine for this thin of material that we're doing. Machine has electric eye underneath, so once it knows 0, the knives automatically raise. They'll do a cut. He'll move his material table in. Now the machine will stop and the knives will raise up, so there's no waste. Knives raise automatically. Feeds up. Does the final cut. Now he does a knife change. What we do is we always flip the last piece we did if we're doing a new cut. Just so the other cuts don't, the different width doesn't scratch the other piece below. Now he'll go ahead and change to a rake. Again, you can cut on either side of the blades. Typically, you can do, you know, less than 45 seconds, 5 knife chain. Ready to go? You can see the decoiler has a sonic loop, so it just runs when the coil stretches the loop. Knives are dropping down, and the material goes forward, starts the cut. Knives are raising, then it feeds forward, does the final cut.